She's right there. All right, Lily's getting the kitties out of the room so they don't try to jump out the window. And I hear the train coming. You should be able to see it right there next to that, in between that tree right below my finger. That is the actual road and train tracks. So we should be able to see it coming, unless it's coming from the other way. But either way, we'll see it coming. No, it's coming this way. Oh yeah, I see it now. See it coming right there? Right next to where my finger's at. That's it. Here it comes, Lily. Come on up here with me. Now, don't bounce the bed. Stop bouncing the bed.
Sorry.
Now, do you see right next to those pine trees right here?
Oh, yeah. You mean
See it coming? That
stuff?
white stuff? That is the train. Now, shh. Don't bounce the bed, okay? Bouncing the bed. Stop moving.
I see it.
Stop moving. Hold on to my shoulders if you have to. You can't bounce the bed. Wow, look at that cool thing. Look at all that smoke coming from it.
I know.
So cool.
It's coming this way. Chickadee.
Shh.
Man, that is...
Hmm.
When is it going to blow the whistle?
Shush.
Wow.
It'll do it just as it's coming through the Nescahoning transition. You'll hear it. Just keep listening. You hear the
Yeah.
there it is, there it is, there it is. Here it comes down the line. Oh yeah. Pretty cool, huh?
Wow.
Oh man, I want to be on one of those one day. We got to get on one of those, Lily.
Okay, but I need to have headphones.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll make sure you got your sensory stuff so we can have fun on the choo-choo train. Look at that cool smoke.
Wow. It's white.
There it goes. So amazing. I love it. I love living up here.
Yeah.
We got the best view. Okay,
Whoa.
stand up. Oh, sorry, honey. Hold on to me.
This time you're shaking.
Sorry, honey. I'm just trying to get a good view of it as it finishes going through. There it goes.
Yeah.
Bye, Chugga Chugga.
Bye.
It
Just said goodbye.
did. Love it.
Feels good.